Here's the model of the human eye. First, let's look at the three layers. There is an outer layer called the sclera, a middle layer called the choroid, and the inner layer called the retina. So from inside you have the retina, the middle layer, the choroid, and the outer layer, the sclera. Light entering the eye must first go through the clear window called the cornea. It then enters an aqueous environment called the aqueous humor, then goes through the hole in the eye called the pupil. The pupil is surrounded by the iris. Looking inside the eye, after going through the pupil, the light must enter and go through the lens, then into the posterior area of the eye here called the vitreous humor, filled with vitreous humor. It then hits the inner layer, the retina. Looking at the retina, you will see there are blood vessels attached, supplying the retina with nutrients and oxygen, taking away waste, so you have the retinal arteries and the retinal veins. The cells in the retina, called the photoreceptors, the rods and the cones, their nerves leave via the optic nerve. Okay, where the optic nerve and the blood vessels leave the eye, there's no photoreceptors, and this area right here is called the blind spot. There's also an area on the retina that has the area of greatest clarity, and that is found right here, called the fovea. Other structures to be noted, if we take a look at the front of the eye from behind, this is where the lens sits, right in here. Okay, the lens is attached to suspensory ligaments right here, and these ligaments are attached to the ciliary muscle. Okay, this is so that you can change the shape of the lens so that you can focus light from near or far objects.